The average AI stack does not get expensive because one tool is overpriced. It gets expensive because 5 tools overlap and nobody cancels the extras. This is Stack Smarter, where we test and rank AI tools so you do not waste money. Today I am walking through 5 AI tool mistakes that quietly drain a solo business every month. Overlapping subscriptions, the wrong tier, paying for research you can do elsewhere, ignored usage caps, and missing automation glue. Some links below are affiliate links that support the channel at no extra cost to you, but the whole point of this video is to help you cancel more than you buy. I will show the dollar leak, the smarter fix, and the tool I would actually keep. The first money leak is paying for a workspace AI and a separate writing tool when one of them is barely used. Example cost: a small team on Notion Business at around $18 per member per month, plus a separate general AI writer at $20 per month, can easily spend $38 per person before anyone makes a single automation. Notion AI and agents are useful when your docs, databases, meeting notes, and project plans already live in Notion. Best for creators and small teams that need summaries, page generation, database autofill, and workspace knowledge in one place. The weakness is that Notion AI is not the best standalone research engine or final copy editor. Skip it if your team does not actually manage work inside Notion. Do this today. Open your last 30 days of Notion activity. If you used AI fewer than 5 times, cancel or downgrade. If you use Notion daily, keep it and stop paying for a second generic note summarizer. The Notion link below is only worth clicking if your workspace is already there. Zapier is excellent for quick automations, but the expensive mistake is using it for high-volume loops that run all day. Example cost: a workflow that checks 500 form submissions and performs 4 paid actions per lead can create 2,000 tasks quickly, pushing you beyond the comfort zone of a basic plan. Zapier's public pricing includes a free plan and professional starting at $19.99 per month, but task volume is the real bill. Best for simple app-to-app workflows where reliability and speed matter more than low-level control. The weakness is that task-based pricing can punish busy automations. Skip Zapier for repetitive data cleanup, bulk syncing, or workflows with lots of branching. Do this today. Sort your Zapier task history by highest usage and ask whether the top automation could run in Make instead. Keep Zapier for critical 2 or 3-step workflows. Use the Zapier link below when speed is worth it, not when volume is the whole job. The third leak is paying for research tools, then still using unsourced AI answers in client work. Example cost: $20 per month for a research assistant is wasted if you paste the output into a deck without checking citations. Perplexity Pro is commonly priced at $20 per month, with annual pricing around $200, and it is strongest when you need sourced answers, follow-up questions, and a faster research workflow. Best for consultants, creators, analysts, and freelancers who need to understand a market, compare tools, or verify claims before publishing. The weakness is that no AI research tool removes your responsibility to read the source. Skip Perplexity Pro if you only ask casual questions or already have a research workflow in another paid suite. Do this today. Replace one browser tab rabbit hole with a Perplexity collection for a client question, then save only answers with sources you actually opened. The Perplexity link below is worth it if research is billable. Grammarly can be valuable, but the mistake is paying for Pro when you only write a few polished emails a week. Grammarly Pro pricing is publicly listed at $30 per member per month on monthly billing, or $144 per year, which averages $12 per month annually. Example leak: paying monthly instead of annual costs an extra $216 per year per person. Best for people who write daily, especially proposals, client emails, landing pages, and team communication where tone and clarity matter. Features include sentence rewrites, tone adjustment, brand style support, and a monthly prompt allowance on paid plans. The weakness is that occasional users may not get enough value, and some AI writing features can make copy sound too generic. Skip Pro if Gmail spell check and a careful review are enough for your weekly output. Do this today. Install the free plan for 2 weeks and count how many suggestions you accept. If it saves real time daily, upgrade annually, not monthly. The Grammarly link below is for heavy writers. The last leak is less obvious, paying for great tools that do not talk to each other. Example cost: a creator paying $20 for research, $30 for writing help, $24 for a database seat, and $19.99 for basic automation can still waste 5 hours a month manually copying leads, notes, and drafts. At even $50 per hour, that is $250 in hidden labor. Make is the smarter fix for many of those middleweight workflows because its public pricing starts with a free plan and core at $12 per month for 10,000 credits, with visual scenarios that are easier to audit than messy copy-paste habits. Best for solopreneurs who need to connect forms, sheets, email, Airtable, Notion, and AI calls without hiring a developer. The weakness is credit math and occasional mapping confusion. Skip Make if you only need one simple trigger and one action. Do this today. Automate one handoff, like new form submission to CRM plus Slack alert plus draft email. The Make link below is the one I would use to debloat manual work. Here is the debloated stack I would recommend for most solo creators. One workspace AI, one research tool only if research is part of your work, one writing assistant only if you write daily, and one automation platform. A lean example could be Notion Business for workspace and AI at around $18 per month, Perplexity Pro at $20 only if you publish sourced content, Grammarly Pro annually only if daily writing pays for it, and Make Core at $12 for automations. That is about $50 to $62 per month, depending on what you truly need. The bloated version can easily hit $120 to $180 by stacking overlapping AI writers, unused note tools, and overpriced automation volume. Do this today. Write down every AI subscription, the monthly cost, and the last time it created revenue or saved at least 30 minutes. Cancel one before adding another. The tools I would keep are linked below, but the win is subtraction. Before buying another AI tool, run a cancellation test. Pick one subscription and ask, if this disappeared tomorrow, what exact task would break? If the answer is nothing, it is not software, it is comfort. Best for solopreneurs is a stack where every tool has a job title: researcher, editor, database, automation glue, or meeting assistant. The weakness of AI software is that it often feels useful during demos but disappears during real work. Skip annual billing on any tool you have not used for 2 full weeks. Do this today. Cancel one overlapping tool, put the saved amount in a note, and track whether you miss it after 7 days. The smartest affiliate link in this video might be the one you do not click. The smartest stack is not the biggest stack. For most solopreneurs, I would keep Make as the automation glue, Perplexity only if sourced research matters, Grammarly only if you write every day, and Notion AI only if your actual work already lives in Notion. The easiest monthly savings usually comes from cancelling overlapping AI writers and moving heavy automations out of task-expensive workflows. In our sample cleanup, dropping one unused writer, switching Grammarly from monthly to annual, and moving one heavy workflow to Make can save roughly $40 to $80 per month without losing capability. Start with Make if your apps are disconnected, using the link in the description. Subscribe to Stack Smarter for more honest tool audits, and remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use, so start with our pick and build your stack from there.